Guys, come with me to surprise a military family with a bedroom makeover. Come on. They have no idea. This is going to be really weird. Surprise! You're getting a makeover! We are coming and giving you a bedroom makeover today. No, my friend, it is happening right now. Come on out here.
I had no idea.
So are you ready for us to come in? Because it's happening like right now. It's a go, go, go. We will take care of everything. You don't have to do anything at all. Great, let's go.
When you're in a military family and you're moving around a lot, it's hard to, it's hard to claim space as your own, right? You're either living in a military housing where you're not allowed to change the paint color except for one of 4 different approved colors. You can't hang things on the wall. You can't make any sort of improvements, or you're in a rented house or rented apartment, same sort of rules. So the reason why I wanted to do this makeover for Anna, we've been running around to different parts of the world for the better part of 17 years, and we never had a bedroom that we've really felt is like a comfortable, place to, call our own. And when we do make changes in the house, it's always other parts of their house, other common areas that everybody can enjoy. So our bedroom is usually the last thing we do. And I just wanted Anna to have, after so many years of moving around, I just wanted her to have her own space, a place where that she could, feel comfortable and feel some peace.
When John retired, it was in the middle of COVID, and he came on one day and he said, I think I'm done putting my boots on. I don't want to do this anymore. I've been doing it for a long time and I'm tired and I think I might be ready for something new. And I just kind of looked at him like, what? That is not the plan. We were not retiring out of Fort Hood. We were going to at least one more duty station. I did not feel prepared on that last day when he drove into work because COVID, so there was no ceremony or anything like that. But when he drove into work to pick up his DD-214, I had a little bit of a breakdown. But it was just the unknown of something that had always been a constant. So, retirement hits you. Our whole mission statement is be resilient, right? That's what we're supposed to do for however many years you are supporting an active duty service member. And I think we do that well, just in general. Military spouses are amazing at just being able to flip on the fly. But when you are retiring and your community's going and you're losing a little bit of your identity you've had for decades and you aren't quite sure what's going to happen and you don't know necessarily what's next, and you don't have the military to fall back on anymore, it definitely was a different kind of a different change.
Are you ready to get out of your house?
No, but I will be. I will do it, whatever you need me.
The current state of this bedroom is unexciting. As a designer, my goal is to create a stunning Texas oasis for this military family to unwind and recharge in. Here's the plan. The room itself is a nice size. That's a bonus. Let's reposition the bed to face the opposite direction, add a seating area, some beautiful lighting and plants. By combining both rustic and airy elements, we can make this a welcoming space that embodies the true spirit of Texas.
I got a plan. I'm ready to go. And do you ever go to the grocery store to buy furniture? I do, because if you have seen H-E-B's home section, well, if you haven't, let me take you because it's amazing. Let's go. Okay, she's a must-have right here. Look at that. That is pretty. I'm gonna take them both. I really love that this is a candle, but when the candle is done, then it's a beautiful container. It's a beautiful piece of decor. It's a win. It's a great way to add texture and a natural element with a natural fiber rug. Like it, mine. It's going into the home office. you going?
I'm just trying to squeeze it so you can have it.
Take the whole thing off. So the name of the game is to not spend too much money. I think we're all kind of feeling the pinch right now. Everything is expensive, but we're gonna work on a focal wall that's gonna be amazing. It's gonna have a lot of impact, but it's gonna be a low cost solution. I want you guys to stick around for that.
Incorporating colorful furniture is an effective way to infuse a space with vibrancy, especially when painting the walls is not an option. This stunning green bed adds a perfect pop of color. We took it one step further and painted one of the walls green to create a bit of drama. Together, these elements make a cohesive atmosphere that adds to the overall aesthetic of the space. I'll admit, I'm not a big fan of ceiling fans, but it's a necessity, especially in Texas, where the heat can be overwhelming. But I do get excited when I have the opportunity to update the style of the fan to something more modern and appealing. Even simple changes make a significant difference.
So close your eyes. Because we know you've been eyeing one over at HEB. So let's see how this baby looks.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Day one is done. We got the painting finished. Some of the furniture pieces are in, and we're gonna finish up tomorrow and surprise Anna and John. So make sure to come back for the big reveal. Let's talk about curtains for a second. There's all different kinds. There's sheer, there's light filtering, there's blackout curtains. These are sheer. It's not quite enough for this space because the light comes blaring in. So we're gonna go with light filtering. Blackout would be too much. So, yep, and the next thing that we wanna do is consider the length, right? How long these curtains are. Right here, this is a problem. These are only 84, so they don't go all the way down. The problem with it is that it just cuts off and it doesn't give the room a streamlined, long look. We want our rooms to feel nice and tall. So we're gonna go with what? 95 inch, right here. Let's change these out. Yes! Eureka!
Remember the focal wall I was talking about earlier? Well, we plan to incorporate an additional wooden element to create a grounded, earthy feel.
Look! William!
Yes.
My hand can't. He's so good. Turn around, model for us.
Do you want this wall done today or tomorrow?
I do, but I want you to turn around right quick.
There, see?
Wait.
There you go.
You need to work it for a second. Work it, work it, work it, work it.
Okay, I'm gonna leave William alone so he can get his job done. I'm gonna do a quick run. I've got to get to the store to pick up a few things.
This was not a plan, but you've got to see this. Come on. Look at this mirror. This is amazing. They're usually way more expensive. It's $149.98. Was not a plan, was not in the design, but it is now.
If military spouse life has taught me anything, it's to be flexible. Incorporating last-minute changes into a project or design can also be a great way to demonstrate creativity and problem-solving. Sometimes unexpected challenges can lead to new and innovative solutions that might not have been considered otherwise. Being flexible and adaptable can help us navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. There's that word again, but it's true. It's a valuable quality that can help us achieve our goals and find success in whatever we do. But now it's time to turn up the heat because we need to get this makeover done.
Look, my kind of thinking, tuck. Hey.
Back my way. Let's talk about the height of your nightstand relative to the height of your mattress. You want about 3 inches above or 3 inches below. That's kind of the standard, so I think we're at a pretty good place right here.
Oh my gosh, it turned out so beautiful, guys. I can't wait for you to see it. We went down to the wire. It is getting dark outside. Usually we have sunlight, but hey, let's just go with it because that's what happens. But they're here. I gotta go. They're there. Are you guys excited? Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Are you ready back there too? Sweet, sweet. Okay, all right, guys. They're coming! Woo!
Yay!
But here's where we are. So you remember the space.
I do.
I was feeling this moment.
Those are great before photos.
Yeah. And we love that it's you, Anna. Open your eyes.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god. It's so good. I would have never.
Wow!
I
I hope
never
it's
would've
what you
guessed.
love. I am shocked. It is gorgeous. Walk in, walk in,
I
walk
never would have
in.
guessed.
Oh, I love that. We hope you all enjoyed this episode of Moving with the Military. Anna, John, did you love it?
I love it. Absolutely.
Awesome.
Blown away.
America, let us know what your thoughts are. We'd love to hear from you. And we're going to close out the show. And we typically have one very special person say something at the very end.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Woo! All right. You did it. That's a wrap. You're like Hollywood.